The Ford Maverick is back. That's right, baby. The recall is over and the Ford Maverick is back available for sale. Now, we've been waiting on these Mavericks to go back available for sale for months and months now. There was a safety recall for a backup camera. We all know how to turn our head, the old manual backup camera, but we had to have them fixed to sell you these trucks, and they are right as rain and they're ready to sell. As you can see, we've got every color of Maverick available. I love the desert sand. I love the nice hot red. We've got them with the sunroof, black wheels, XLTs, base model XL trucks. We have literally every kind of Maverick you can imagine. So if you're looking for a great truck, if you're looking for a great deal, we're practically giving these trucks away. Jake Fry, the car guy with Walker Paul Tethers, we're on the case. Hit us up at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com and you will get the best deal in the nation on a Ford Maverick. That's exactly right. Hit us up, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of Maverick content coming. If you look at the channel, we've done videos off-roading in the Maverick. We've done the features. We just did a great video about the new screen redesign for 2025. So whatever you like, whether it's an appearance package, whether it's a sunroof, whether it's a giant touchscreen, or whether it's just the best possible price, we've got it all at JC Lewis Ford. Come on down or hit us up at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com and be sure to subscribe to the channel because there's a huge giveaway coming at 10,000 subscribers, and we're going to be going to the biggest auto show in the nation, the most prestigious. If you know what it is, feel free to drop a hint for the other folks not so in the know in the comments. So be sure to subscribe because a lot of great unreleased stuff is going to be coming right at you. Walker, what else you got for the people?
Guys, these 24s are ready to sell. Recall is no longer active, so we will get them straight to you. Feel free to hit us up or shoot us a message at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com if we can help serve you up. Thanks, guys.
Like and subscribe.